again. Do it again.
That's Eddie. Oh wait, I can't even do it. He does it better. Do it. Do it.
So Debbie, this is the way.
You do it better than me. I can only do it with my lips. He does it with his tongue. I can, show me how to do it. Show me how. Show me again. Oh, I did it. Do it. Do it.
You're gonna put him to bed tonight.
Sorry.
I hope you guys have a lot of fun. I'll get a lot of work done while you try putting him to bed.
Oh no, I've really done it now. I'm gonna stop laughing. Look, here's. Huh? He's got a devilish look in his eyes.